Good morning, my dear students. Today reaction start synthesis of ester. Synthesis of ester. Eighth reaction synthesis of ester. Synthesis of ester. By the reaction of silver monocarboxylic acid react with alkyl halide. Silver monocarboxylic acid RC double bond O OAG. Silver monocarboxylic acid. Silver monocarboxylic acid. Silver monocarboxylic acid react with alkyl halide by the reaction of silver salt of monocarboxylic acid. Silver salt of monocarboxylic acid with alkyl halide. Then ester is formed. RC double bond O OR plus AgX. Ag in a form of metal, then remove of Ag positive and X negative plus AgX. Remaining of RC double bond O OR RC double bond O OR Ag positive O negative R positive X negative Ag positive and X negative AgX and RC double O negative and R positive. तो RC double bond O R positive attack on O negative. तो RC double bond O OR RC double bond OR ester. So silver salt of monocarboxylic acid. Silver salt of monocarboxylic acid react with alkyl halide is obtained ester. Ester is obtained. Ester is formed plus a silver halide. Okay. So example CS3Cl plus CS3 RCS3 C double bond O single bond OAG CS3Cl methyl chloride and Ag CS3 C double bond O Ag silver 1,2 form acid C double bond O. So silver acetate. Silver form acid. Use of 2 carbon in prefix acetate. Ester is a main functional group. So use of suffix ate. Silver acetate. So silver acetate. Silver monocarboxylic acid react with methyl chloride. Methyl chloride react with silver acetate. It gives CS3 Ag positive and Cl negative out plus AgCl out हो गया. CS3 C double bond O negative and CS3 positive. तो CS3 C double bond O and CS3 C double bond O negative and positive. So CS3 C double bond O CS3 and Ag positive and Cl negative AgCl. What is the name of CS3 C double bond O CS3? Question. Answer this question. Methyl methate ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate or general name of methyl ethanoate. Methyl form acetate. Methyl acetate. Methyl ethanoate or methyl acetate. Okay. तो मिथाइल क्लोराइड रिएक्ट विद सिल्वर मोनोकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एस्टर इज फॉर्म्ड CH3 C double bond O CH3 R C double bond O R ester group. Ester is a main functional group. Ester formed. Okay. Next reaction. Next example. Ethyl chloride react with silver acetate. What is A? Solution. Ethyl chloride. Ethyl, number of carbon 2, C2H5, chloride Cl, C2H5Cl react with silver acetate, silver Ag acetate, O C double bond O CH3, 1 to 2 carbon, use of word root 2, use of word root 2 carbon, acid form 1 carbon, use of 1 carbon, word root form 2 carbon acid, silver acetate and ethyl chloride. Silver acetate react with ethyl chloride react with silver acetate. It obtained ester C2H5Cl negative and C2H5 positive, Ag positive and O negative, AgCl out, CH3 C double bond O, attack of C2H5 carbocation O negative on O negative. So C2H5 O C double bond O CH3 और CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond O and C2H5. Ethyl, general name of ester, ethyl, form acid, ethyl acetate. Okay. Next section, very very important, 9th, synthesis of amine. Synthesis of amines, very very important. Synthesis of amines. When alcoholic ammonia is heat with alkyl halide. Alcoholic ammonia with heat alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, when alcoholic ammonia is heat with alkyl halide in sealed tube. Suppose that इसमें डाल दिया आपने अमोनिया एंड एल्किल हैलाइड और इसको आपने क्या कर दिया, हीट कर दिया. सो व्हेन एल्कोहलिक अमोनिया इज हीट विद एल्किल हैलाइड in sealed tube, alkylation of ammonia take place. Alkylation, this reaction name is alkylation reaction. Ammonia react with a alcoholic ammonia react with a alkyl halide in a sealed tube. Alkylation of ammonia take place and mixture of ammonia is formed. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree ammonia. So mixed is formed forms amines. Alcoholic ammonia react with alkyl halide. This reaction name is alkylation reaction. It is formed mixed form of amine 1 degree 2 degree 3 degree 4 degree ammonia is 1 degree 2 degree 3 degree 4 degree amines is formed. Mixed is formed and mixture of amines is formed. If alkyl halide is used in excess, then last product is a quaternary ammonium salt. So alkyl halide react with ammonia, alcoholic. This reaction name is alkylation reaction. Rx X negative, R positive, NH3 NH2 positive and H negative. Sorry, nitrogen hydrogen NH2 negative and H positive. Hydrogen attack on X negative and NH2 attack on R positive. So answer, so product RNH2 plus byproduct HX. But alkyl halide in excess form. Once again, alkyl amine react with alkyl halide, then give to RNH2 RNH negative plus H positive. H positive attack on X negative and R positive RNH negative. तो RNH and R plus HX plus HX. RNH are 2 degree amines. Number of alkyl group connected of nitrogen. Number of alkyl group connected with nitrogen. Number of alkyl group 2, so 2 degree amine. Number of alkyl group connected with nitrogen only 1 degree amine. 1 degree amine. Number of alkyl group 2, so 2 degree amine. Okay. Once again, 2 degree amine react with alkyl halide because alkyl halide in excess form. So 2 degree amine once again react with alkyl halide, then give to RN HX H positive and X negative out, then HX byproduct form में out हो जाएगा. RNR. Number of alkyl group connected with nitrogen 3. So name of RNR and this compounds 3 degree amines. 3 degree amines. Once again repeat. CH3Cl alkyl halide react with ammonia. React with alcoholic ammonia. It gives CH3Cl, Cn negative, CH3 positive, NH2, NH2 negative and H positive. NH2, NH2 negative and H positive. NH2 negative and CH3 positive and Cn negative and H positive with respect to combined, then gives CH3NH2, CH3NH2 plus HCl, methylamine. Number of carbon connected with nitrogen only 1. 1 methyl group connected with nitrogen. So these compounds name of 1 degree amines, primary amines. Okay. CH3NH2 CH3NH2 react with CH3Cl. CH3Cl. Once again, CH3NH2 1 degree amine react with CH3Cl because CH3Cl in excess form. CH3Cl in excess form of solvent. So CH3NH2 1 degree amine once again react with CH3Cl, then give to 1 hydrogen remove and Cl negative. HCl out. So CH3 NH negative plus H positive. CH3 positive and Cl negative, positive attack on NH negative and Cm and H positive attack on Cl negative. CH3 NH and CH3 plus HCl out. 2 methyl group connected with nitrogen. So this compound's name of 2 degree amines. Number of 2 methyl group connected with nitrogen. So 2 degree amines, name of these compounds CH3NH CH3 dimethyl amine. Okay, next once again CH3NH and CH3 react with CH3Cl. Dimethyl amines react with CH3Cl because CH3Cl in excess form. CH3Cl in excess form. When cannot be complete hydrogen remove these compounds. Complete hydrogen connected with nitrogen cannot be complete hydrogen remove these with connected to nitrogen. So CH3NH CH3 react with CH3Cl, H positive and Cl negative remove, then CH3N connected with CH3 and CH3. What is the name of CH3 and CH3? 3 degree amine. 3 methyl group connected with nitrogen, so 3 degree amine. General name of CH3 and CH3 trimethylamine. Trimethylamine plus HCl. Once again, complete hydrogen remove in nitrogen connected with nitrogen connected, complete hydrogen remove. So next CH3 and CH3 3 degree amines once again react with CH3Cl. So nitrogen, one lone pair present on nitrogen, so nitrogen attack of carbon, CH3 positive and Cl negative. Nitrogen electron donate on carbon atom, so product of nitrogen CH3 नाइट्रोजन जैसे ही कार्बन एटम को इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ऑन कार्बन नाइट्रोजन एटम डिक्रीज. इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ऑन नाइट्रोजन एटम्स डिक्रीज, बट नाइट्रोजन एटम डिक्रीज. सो partially positive on nitrogen and connected on CH3 with nitrogen. So CH3 and CH3 and N positive and Cl negative. So OR CH3 का whole 4 1 2 3 4 N positive and Cl negative. CH3 whole 4 N positive and Cl negative. Tetramethyl 4 methyl group. So tetramethyl N positive ammonium, Cl negative chloride. Tetramethyl ammonium chloride. This compound's name is quaternary salt. This compound's name is quaternary salt. CH3 का whole 4 N positive CN negative tetramethyl ammonium chloride quaternary salt. Once again repeat. CH3Cl react with ammonium. CH3Cl react with ammonium. NH3 break down on NH2 negative and H positive ions. NH2 negative attack on carbocation, then give to CH3NH2 plus HCl. Okay. Once again CH3NH2 react with CH3Cl because CH3Cl in solvent excess form. Okay. So CH3 positive attack on nitrogen atoms and Cn negative attack on hydrogen ions. So then give to CH3NH plus HCl out in reactant. Once again CH3NH 2 degree amines react with CH3Cl because CH3Cl in excess form. So give to CH3 nitrogen CH3 and CH3 3 degree amines. 3 degree methyl connected with nitrogen. So this compounds 3 degree amines and tertiary methyl amine 1 2 3 tri. 3 means tri. CH3 use of prefix, use of substituent methyl and nitrogen amines. So trimethyl amines plus remove of H and Cl HCl. Okay. Once again CH3 and CH3 3 degree amines react with methyl chloride because methyl chloride in excess form in solvent. So CH3 nitrogen, one lone pair present on nitrogen. So nitrogen lone pair attack on carbocation. Nitrogen one lone pair attack on carbocation, then give to CH3 and CH3 nitrogen attack on carbon. So nitrogen dative bond CH3 CH3 and CH3 dative bond of CH3 and Cl negative. Remove of dative bond, positive charge and negative charge. Okay na. OR. तो CH3 and CH3 and Cl negative. Nitrogen donate one lone pair to CH3 positive, then give to product CH3 and CH3 nitrogen. Electron density decrease on nitrogen because nitrogen electron donating to CH3 positive. So nitrogen electron density decrease. So nitrogen on present charge positive. CH3 and CH3 positive and Cl negative, or CH3 4 CH3 1 2 3 4 CH3 4 and nitrogen positive and Cl negative. So IPSC name of CH3 4, so Sandan name of CH3 4 and positive tetramethyl ammonium chloride. This compound's name of quaternary salt. Okay. Next reaction in the chapter, very important in exam base, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, very important. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Alkyl halide react with benzene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Alkyl halide react with benzene. Alkyl halide react with benzene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. AlCl3, ammonium trichloride, anhydrous AlCl3. Benzene react with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives alkyl benzene. alkyl benzene. It gives alkyl benzene and byproduct HX. Hydrogen halide. Benzene react with the alkyl halide. Alkyl halide react with benzene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives alkyl benzene. It gives alkyl benzene. In this reaction, alkylation reaction. In this reaction, alkylation of benzene. In this reaction of alkylation of benzene. Alkylation of benzene take place. In this reaction, alkylation of benzene take place. So, alkyl halide react with benzene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives alkyl benzene. So, next example, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Benzene react with R means CH3 groups and X means halide group Cn negative in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Then give to hydrogen. Only in benzene remove only one hydrogen. Only one hydrogen on benzene. H positive and Cn negative. H positive and Cn negative. HCl out. It gives CH3 and HCl. Name of benzene CH3 methyl and complete name benzene methyl benzene toluene. Benzene react with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous Cl3. It gives to toluene. It gives toluene. Okay. Next section. Benzene react with C2H5Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. H positive remove on benzene and Cn negative remove on C2H5. HCl remove HCl, then HCl remove, and it gives product C2H5. Name of C2H5 benzene ethyl, C2H5 ethyl and benzene. Ethyl benzene. Okay. Benzene react with ethyl chloride. Benzene react with ethyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives ethyl benzene. Okay. Next reaction. Benzene react with isopropyl chloride. Propyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Benzene react with isopropyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, then give to HCl out and product of CH3, C carbocation, C positive and CH and CH3. Isopropyl benzene plus HCl out. Okay. Next reaction. H. Benzene react with tertiary butyl chloride. Benzene react with tertiary butyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Benzene react with tertiary butyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Then give to remove of HCl out in reactant, then give to CH3 CH3 CH3. क्यों? Because tertiary butyl chloride on presence of carbocation anhydrous AlCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So remove of reactant HCl out in reactant and give of product CH3C CH3 CH3O. What is the name of these compounds? Tertiary made it probute tertiary butyl benzene. Tertiary butyl benzene. Okay. So mechanism. How to obtain of in presence of a benzene react with alkyl halide. How to obtain of product in Friedel-Crafts reaction. So mechanism start now. Mechanism very important. Mechanism. AlCl3 anhydrous AlCl3 Cl and Cl connected of 3 chloride ions with aluminum. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 only number of electron present on aluminum 6 electron. No octant complete in aluminum, so 2 electron remaining. ऑक्टेंट कंप्लीट होने में एल्युमिनियम के 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन और चाहिए. ओनली ऑफ ओनली एल्युमिनियम के पास 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट हैं. सो एल्युमिनियम यूज टू एनी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. एल्युमिनियम 2 और इलेक्ट्रॉन ले सकता है. सो एल्युमिनियम बिहेव AlCl3 बिहेव एज ए लुईस एसिड. एल्युमिनियम के पास वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल है, इस वजह से ये एल्युमिनियम अपने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन और ले सकता है. इस वजह से ये एल्युमिनियम AlCl3 जो है ये करेगा बिहेव किसकी तरह? एज ए लुईस एसिड. लुईस एसिड की तरह क्या करेगा? ये बिहेव करेगा. सो Friedel-Crafts reaction in an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction in example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophile substitution reaction. Electrophile substitution reaction. Electrophile attack and substitute reaction. Substitute. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. In this reaction, secondary tertiary alkyl halides gives carbocations. As an intermediate, the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 which act as electrophile Lewis acid. So mechanism start now. The tertiary butyl chloride CH3 and Cl in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous AlCl3. AlCl3 as a behave of Lewis acid. AlCl3 behave as a Lewis acid. Chloride ions present of 2 electrons. 2 electrons donate on aluminums because aluminum vacant orbital present. Because AlCl3 present of d vacant orbitals. So chloride ion 2 electrons donate on aluminums. And AlCl3 compounds have behave of Lewis acid. Then CH3C, CH3Cl, CH3C, CH3Cl. These chlorides remove of carbon, so carbocation plus AlCl3 and Cl नेगेटिव. ये अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके जाएगा यहाँ, तो लेके जाएगा तो यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी डिक्रीज, तो कार्बोकेटाइन. एंड AlCl3 क्लोराइड क्लोरीन अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके यहाँ से जा रहा है, इसका मतलब यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? AlCl Cl3 and once again Cl AlCl4. Cl negative and AlCl4 negative. Tertiary butyl chloride react with AlCl3. AlCl3 behave as a Lewis acid. So Cn negative ion attack on aluminum ions, then give to CH3C, CH3 positive carbocation. Which name of carbocation? Tertiary butyl tertiary butyl carbocation, tertiary butyl carbocation, okay, and AlCl3. Step first, benzene react with CH3 CH3 positive. Tertiary butyl carbocation react with benzene. So benzene is break down two parts. Double bond break down two parts and positive and negative ions. Okay, positive ions attack on negative ions, then give to product double bond. CH3 positive attack on carb anion, negative ion attack on negative ion. So CH3 and positive. Okay, positive ions carbocation ions, benzene carbocation ions, which name of benzene carbocation ion? Aranium ions. Okay, so aranium ions represent of resonating structure. तो डबल बॉन्ड पॉजिटिव वाली साइड में, सो डबल बॉन्ड पॉजिटिव, डबल बॉन्ड CH3 एंड CH3. डबल बॉन्ड मेक ए डबल बॉन्ड, बट पॉजिटिव चार्ज इस जगह क्या हो जाएगा? शिफ्ट. पॉजिटिव, डबल बॉन्ड पॉजिटिव एंड CH3 once again double bond positive and positive, once again positive CH3 double bond and double bond and double bond positive and positive. ओके, पॉजिटिव एंड पॉजिटिव यहाँ तक आ गया नहीं, डबल बॉन्ड मेक ए डबल बॉन्ड, पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ जाएगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज, डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ आ गया, पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ पर आ गया. ठीक है, डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ और पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ पर आ गया. ठीक है, ये रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर. स्टेबलाइजेशन ऑफ एरेनियम आयंस by resonance. CH3 carbocation attack on carbon anion. So product CH3 carbon positive, which name of these compounds? Stabilizing of aranium ions of resonance. Aranium. Okay, araniums. Resonating structure, डबल बॉन्ड मेक ए डबल बॉन्ड एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ये डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ जाएगा तो यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी डिक्रीज, सो कार्बन ऑन कार्बोकेटाइन. देन वंस अगेन डबल बॉन्ड मेक ए डबल बॉन्ड एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज, वंस अगेन. ओके, स्टेबलाइजिंग ऑफ एरेनियम आयंस रेजोनेटिंग. डायरेक्ट अपने पास ये आ गया. ओके, डबल बॉन्ड CH3 एंड CH3 ऑन पॉजिटिव. ओके, स्टेप नंबर सेकेंड, कार्बोकेटाइन अटैक ऑन AlCl4 नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव अटैक ऑन AlCl3 नेगेटिव, देन गिव टू CH3 and CH3, once again AlCl3 plus HCl, H hydrogen and AlCl3 plus Cl negative, HCl out, once again HCl out, HCl and make a double bond, once again double bond double bond, and CH3 CCH3 CH3. Okay. First, benzene react with a CH3 CH3 positive, then give to breakdown positive and negative. Positive charge attack on carbon negative ions, then give to double bond CH3 and CH3, hydrogen and positive charge. Okay. Next reaction with AlCl4 negative. Positive charge AlCl4 negative. AlCl4 means AlCl3 plus Cl negative. Cl negative attack on AlCl3, then once again AlCl4 negative. Okay, so AlCl3 and Cl negative, AlCl3 and Cl negative, H positive and Cl negative out. ठीक है, AlCl3 H positive and Cl negative out, remaining of AlCl3. okay, तो HCl plus AlCl3 by product plus once again double bond H positive remove, then product of once again double bond CH3 CH3 and CH3, tertiary butyl benzene. Okay.